Morning, locksmith fam. We're on a 2025 Volvo V60. We're just adding a key, but it doesn't really matter on this car if it's add key or all keys lost. It's gonna be the same process. Been a while since I've done any videos, but we're gonna do this one. So we're gonna use Key Tool Plus. If you don't have Key Tool Plus, other programmers, I know Lonsdor works, other ones might. So you could try them, but what we're gonna do is go to Emo Programming, and of course we're gonna go to Europe and then Volvo, and let's see here, we got V60, and this is a cross country, but that's the wrong years. No, I just select XC60, V60, 2018 and newer, smart key system. Start programming. All right, just giving you some information on if you get an error. So all right, so we're going to go to add smart keys. All right, and then we're going to enter the 10-digit number that is the CEM security code. I don't know why it cleared back. Didn't like that. 6867. So you enter in your security code and then click OK. Turn the knob once to the right and release it. That's the knob, that's your start. And click OK. Place the key to be programmed in the slot. Take all the other keys out of the car. So I do have a key in the car. I'm going to stick that out here outside of the car and click OK. It's communicating. All right. Let's see here. That didn't work. So let's go to 2022 and newer. I didn't see that selection. That was at the top. I screwed up. 2022 and newer. Start programming. Okay. Add smart key. We are connected. We do want to enter in our passcode. All right. Now turn the knob to the right and release it. Hit OK. I knew better. I've done this before. I think I did the same thing last time, because you think the bottom is going to be the newest one, 2018 and newer, but it isn't. So it says calculating. Please wait. All right. So current number of keys is 2. Place the key to be programmed in the area. Say OK. Current key is matched successfully. So we're just gonna. All right. We've got that. Car starts, and that's how easy you do these jobs. Now, I know the first thing you're going to ask me in the comments is, where do you get the passcode? Well, you can search around on the internet. There's different groups of people you can get the passcodes from. The dealer is going to be your best bet. If you have any questions about that, just send me an email and I'll get back to you with some information on that. But as you can see, if you don't screw up the first time, this is a 5-minute job. You might have 20 minutes all in. I still got to go cut the key, of course. You used to have to charge a lot for these because you'd have to use Vita, and it costs a lot more money. Now, you know, you can charge less, because the problem is the dealers don't charge. I think the dealers are, well, on the new Proxes are a little more expensive, but yeah, so this is an aftermarket key I'm using. I got this from Noble Key Supply. and they have excellent deals on keys, awesome customer service, and they are locksmiths also. So, and they're family, so I can vouch for them. But you're going to be in the $550 range on this car, which ain't bad, because I think an aftermarket key is in the $50 range. Your passcode's going to be around $100. So still going to be undercutting the dealer, but we provide a convenience of service. We do it for cheaper, and we come to you, and we usually do it same day. So that's what we got for today. I'm gonna hit the next one. Have a great day out there.